I shared yesterday that this time in a dance, getting to the highest is very easy. It's just like that, no? I shared to you yesterday that before it was really a fatigue to move to that higher level. This time around it's very easy, no? Immediately when I laid dito sa mat, there's this intense light that I saw, no? And that light was drawing me, no? And as the healing progresses, I felt a strong energy from the root chakra circling like that, from the whole body going up, no? And it was getting more intense, no? And I don't know, I felt that my whole body was throwing away trash, things that I didn't need, maybe ideas, maybe experiences, maybe emotions that lacked in my body, no? All these were, because of the force of the turning, it went out all, no? Everything was going out. And in the end, I felt so clean. No? I felt that all the garbage that I've been bringing to my life, all these 62 years were gone. Yeah. And I thank Colonel Edwin for this because it was the energy was so masculine.
Sa akin, I enjoyed the fireworks. And colors, mostly violet and gold. Lalaro. Ito pinapanood ko siyang so my hands is very hot. I feel the energy is coming out. Kaya ginagano ko, nilalaro ko yung energy ko, nahanap ko yung parang kinakapa ko siya. Yun ang na-feel ko. But a lot of colors.
How long was that? Was that like 2 hours?
No, that was 20 minutes. Okay.
I felt so much love. Then I literally forgot who I was for a long time. Na parang you're so into it. Parang may spiral na you're just sucked in and you don't know who you are. I felt that. And then I felt happiness too. When I was doing like that, parang child niya. I think that's all I can say right now.
Yeah, I felt her energy. It's very, very high. And I really felt the love that she was feeling. And I am a touchy person kasi. So, I really have to touch. I really have to touch or her energy is going. And it was vibrating all over her body. That's why I was just following the energy that was flowing in her spinal cord. And then, I always feel her heart because it's very warm. Everything that I touch is very warm. Especially when I touch here and I touch here. I am a touchy person kaya I touch all the time. And I was doing that to also feel where am I touching. Kung baga, tinatouch ko siya doon sa parte na gusto ko ding maramdaman kung nasaan. And I can feel it. I never expected that I can also feel when I'm touching her back, I can also feel that I also am touching my back. As if I was her, but not. And I was just, I don't know, I was just a happy observer of what she's doing. And she's very energetic, and she's very light, and she's everything. Yeah, that's all.
First is parang I created a space muna. Parang imagine a white light, cleaner space muna. Imagine na. Then, hindi naman ako masyadong I never so much touch on her body. I thought that her energy is so humalakas eh. Sobrang intense. And sobrang intense talaga. Halos sabulin ko na siya. And I felt like parang It's okay. Parang I'm dancing with her na nga eh. Parang ganun na nangyayari. Then whenever she goes to Shin and parang apat na kami nagsasayaw. Yung sa disco. So, she goes there, tapos okay, I have to follow her. Parang ano yun, it's a relationship with the healer and the hini-heal mo. So, you have to really take care of the one you're healing kasi it's part of it eh. Whenever she goes, parang I have to take care of her. So, sobrang. And I'm thankful. Very, very grateful ako sa energy niya. Sobrang. Yeah, sobrang. Yeah, I love Ella.
I don't know where to start. When I was, we were doing to begin. Paano na? Where do I begin? Healer.
Oh, it's up to you. Yeah. What do you feel like saying?
When I was parang healing her, I felt that she had blockages here, and then I needed, but you know, I was happy because it was the first time I saw her here, like yesterday, she was shaking, so I didn't see that today anymore, and then she was trusting more, and she parang nag-roll din siya. And then I had to hold her spine here. Tapos, so there, parang, and I was, parang she was happier there. Tapos, but then after that, I had to hold her here. I parang hold her here, which was blocked. And most of us naman were blocked here. So, tapos, nung bandang huli na, parang ako, na-absorb ko na.
I saw you also cutting the cord.
Yeah. Tapos, parang after that, so when it was my turn, I was parang having a hard time breathing. I was just releasing. Parang I was absorbing. So when it was my turn na here, nung in-error ko yung movements niya, and I was aware of it. I also did that, parang I moved here and then I moved here. Parang kung anong ginawa niya. Natawa ako. Did you see me? Tumatawa ako kasi parang yung energy, parang whatever energy you have runs through me too. And that's why I was laughing. And then all of us, we all have the same energy. And then after that, parang I was feeling like I was earth na. I was feeling like I was earth na. And that's when I started screaming, parang I have to, ayoko na yung parang whatever is happening now. And yun na yung scream. And then I don't know, I had to go to her, I had to go to you, I don't know why, parang I wanted people, come on, let's go na, let's do this na. Come on. Parang gano'n. Tapos, pero when parang played beautiful or something, the music, I was resisting. Tapos parang, God, take me na, I don't like to do it. This is so scary. Parang fighting with myself. Is this what I have to do? Why do I have to do this? I just want to just be here in the corner. I don't want to do it, So that's what was going on for me.